question 6 answers. Okay, now the problem here is, okay, this one, okay, your answer may differ, yes, by 1 degree. So your answer for ABC, right, if you measure it properly, it should be 114 degrees. Okay, but because usually for question like that, there's a range that we will accept. So usually, okay, we would have plus minus 1 degree. So if you have 113, 114, or 115, okay, we will accept. Okay, now then length of BC, if you measure it, it should be 6.6 centimeters. Remember, from question 6 onwards, it's already your long answer question. So the units are not provided. You have to make sure you write your own units. Okay, so 6.6, okay, again, it is a range of answers. So you can have plus 0.1, okay, plus minus 0.1. So 6.5, 6.6, 6.7 will be accepted. Okay, so you will have these three answers will be accepted. Now, next thing is using BC as the base, right? Let's see, where's BC? BC will be the base. Okay, if you chose AY, then you will be on the right track. Okay, so you need to find the length of AY. If you find the length of AY, okay, depending on what you find, your AY, right, what I measured is 3.9 centimeters. Like again, I will give you plus minus 0.1 centimeters. So using that answer that you have found with your BC, right? Okay, depending on what is the value that you have found, you have to use the value that you have found to find the area of triangle ABC, which you need to take half times base times height. So the base, we know that it's going to be BC. The height, okay, everybody, okay, most of you already told me that the height is AY. So I need to put in the correct values. Okay, let's say my BC is 6.6. Okay, don't need to put units. 6.6 and my AY, if I found it to be 3.9, I can calculate this. And my answer would be, hold on, half times 6.6 times 3.9. My answer is 12.87. But they say round your answer to the nearest whole number. So round it off, it will give me 13. Okay, so even if I use example, so okay, for example, my answer is half times, some of you have 6.7, right? Okay, I'm going to use 6.7. And then if you get 4, okay, example, this is just example. If your values are like this, 0.5 times 6.7 times 4, I get 13.4. When you round it off, it will still be 13. So your answer will be more or less, I think everybody's answer should be ranging about to 13 when you round it off. You will get 12 point something, 13 point something, but when you round it off, you should get 13. So let's move on. So please put the correct units because this is talking about area, right? So make sure that you have the unit square centimeters.